5 years in the making. It took forever for this show to happen again. And to the orchestra, like most of you are doing this with me for the first time. The band, I've been with my band forever. Management is here. I am among friends. I am eerily calm. Like, I'm usually a bit more nervous. But we are ready. Like, rehearsals were a breeze. Block 9 is here. Thank you. Yeah. So, maybe, please, maybe you see my name out there. But this is your show as much as it is mine. You are all as important as I am on stage. So please, if anything, I want you to enjoy it. The fans, my fans are the sweetest. You know, they clap anyway, even if they don't like the song.
Even when you're mataray, they clap.
Kahit pa masungit ako. But, Tracy and the team, thank you. Derek Pao, thank you. Chino, thank you. To everyone, please, enjoy yourselves. God is with us.
Alam mo bang kanina pa ako magdamag nang nakatingin sa'yo, di mo lang alam. Sa gitna ng kadilimang hindi mapakali, ako'y nabighani. Di mo lang alam, inaasam ang panahong makapiling ka sa una't huling pagkakataon. Dahil dito sa Mariposa ay mahirap ang nag-iisa. Dahil dito sa Mariposa ako lang yata ang nag-iisa. Nagsisising matatapos ang gabing alam naman nating meron ng taning. Nagsisising gigising sa katotohanan, di ka naman talaga akin. Di mo lang alam, inaasam ang panahong makapiling ka sa una't huli.